What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sheep Juju once again from Eustis, Florida. So today I stopped by here in a gasoline station. So I'll show you. Yeah, this is my place to it's close to my work, this gasoline station. So every time that I'm going home or going to work, I stop by here in this gasoline station here in Eustis, Florida. So I bought one Florida scratch off ticket. This one. So let me show you. So I got $10 here. So I bought $10 100 times the cash. You can win up to 2 million. So I already scratched off the numbers, and the winning numbers are 26, 6, 19, 7, 42, and 23. And under this quarter, so I found a multiplier. So I'm going to share you about the about this secret inside that quarter here. So I found a multiplier and I'll show you now. Here we go. I'll show you 5 times multiplier for $20. So for $10 ticket, I won $100. 5 times 20. So this is it guys. If you like this video of mine, please share it to your friend or make a comment, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you very much, and have a Black Friday. It's a Black Friday today, so if you go to shopping, please be careful and don't shop too much. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye bye.